Come, let us finish this performance we've all been waiting for. Together.
Fate has led you to me. And considering the terms I'm offering, you wouldn't refuse me, would you?
Hear that? A twinkling star just tinkled to the ground.